So I've just had the frame back from the sandblaster. There's a few issues. There's a hole there and another one there. They shouldn't be there. That just means that I need to get a plate behind, maybe cut a bit off and weld another plate in. Other than these two, I'm not too worried. The rest of the main frame seems to be intact. And then this rear bit, it is pretty bad, but I think what I'll do is I'll just cut it there and just weld a new bit on. Hopefully that will look better with the cafe racer seat. So what I need to do now is just put a bit of primer on it, because if I don't put any primer, then it will immediately start rusting. There's some rust spots already forming here, and this has only been sitting for maybe 2 days. So today I'll just try and get some primer on it. So I'm trying to put the bike back together. Since I brought it back from the sandblaster, I put a coat of primer on it just so it doesn't rust. I've put the front forks back on, the fuel tank, which as you know by now is scrap, but I just put it on to see roughly what I'm gonna do with the seat. And I'll put the rear wheel back on. I'll order a tank and a seat. And then I'll try and figure out what I'm gonna do with this rear end of the bike. It's just too rusted in there, and I don't think it looks great anyway, so I might just make something a lot simpler than this.